Now we have got another very eminent social activist from Goa. She is a fiery woman taking up social issues, Ms. Tara Kerkar. I request Tara Kerkar to come on the stage. Didi, to the industry.
एक मिनट में करता पड़े हुए ना I will keep in touch with you. Hey.
So, after induction, we begin today's informal meet with Didi. Before we begin, I request Didi to give her address to all of you and address you all about her message for all of us.
Welcome all the editors, the important press people, the media who are the pillar of this country, and the regional media, local media. They are very important. They used to work for Goa. They used to work for country. So you are the pillar of democracy. You protect the democratic right to the people. We want peace, prosperity, and we want that all the people who are committed to fight against BJP, the regional parties, all the local parties, I welcome to work together. So I have already said so many things from yesterday. If you have anything to say, you can ask me, because today I have to leave, so I have to go to church and also I have to go to some markets. I have some another work also, and that's why today I am really hurried. So thank you very, very much for taking trouble for us, and please give us your support, extend your support. We want to see real Goa. Goa is beautiful and Goa is everything with them. Only the leadership is lagging, the mechanism is lagging, the system is lagging, otherwise Goa is a gold mine. We will take care for everything. So if you have anything to ask me, you can ask me. Thank you so much.
रीजनल पार्टी वाली बात की मैडम, तो अभी भी आज भी कई लोग आपको मिले, आज भी कई हुए, क्या ये एक गठबंधन के ओर से जा रहा है? कल भी आपको रीजनल पार्टी के कई लोग मिले, आज भी कई लोग आपको मिलने आए थे और अभी बातचीत हो चुकी है, तो क्या ये एक अगेंस्ट फोर्स बढ़ रहा है या अगेंस्ट फोर्स बन रहा है, ऐसे कुछ
गठबंधन है ना? Regional parties are the strong parties, and we want to see that union of states, the federal structure is strong, the state politics is strong. So we don't want that outsiders Zagagiri. We want that insiders to work and go for ones we have already said. And Delhi ka Zagagiri, and I told yesterday also the same thing I am repeating. And we want that the committed people, committed local political parties who are really fighting, who are really want to fight against BJP, let us work together.
Madam, I have a question. TMC is not new in Goa. It has been here before also for elections. This is only for the during the election time it is there, or it will be forever later?
No, earlier we didn't try, there was no organization. And there was no only one person contested election that much. But this time we are serious about Goa. And we have started our working, you have seen that our MPs are also sitting here. And every day we are sending some MPs. Even I also came, even I am also meeting the people. Then don't you think that we are very serious this time, we are very sincere? Because if Goa we can bring, we can win India also.
दीदी मुझे एक सवाल पूछना है आपसे। गोवा के साथ और 5 राज्यों में चुनाव होने वाला है, पंजाब में होने वाला है, यूपी में होने वाला है, तो क्या गोवा चुनने का एक आपका पर्टिकुलर एजेंडा क्या है? दूसरा, आप यूपी में चुनाव के लिए जाने वाली हो क्या? तृणमूल कांग्रेस यूपी में?
देखिए, हम एक नहीं चाहते हैं कि कोई वोट डिवाइड हो जो रियली बीजेपी का खिलाफ फाइट करते हैं। बट द प्रॉब्लम इज with the national party, so we are also national party, but we are not like Congress, BJP. They compromise each other, we never. And that's why wherever the opportunity will come, wherever the request will come, of course we will be going there. UP also we are going there because Amalapati party's son and his grandson, and they also joined the party. The others also have written me a letter. Punjab also have received so many letters, but wherever the possibility, and we have started Tripura, we have started Assam, we have started the northeast in few parts. Like this, UP also we have the target. We have the target in Haryana also, in other parts also. Let us see. And Goa, because while we started Goa like this, people also do the same thing we are doing. Every day BJP is also beating us. Goa, all similarities with the sea, all similarities with the forest, all similarity with the fishing, all similarity with the folk songs, all similarity with the football. Without Mohun Bagan, East Bengal, Mohammedan supporting Goa football, where is the identity of football? The Bengal is the identity, the Goa is the identity. And we want to give Leander Pace, like him, a golden boy. The identity, Francis, Goa songs, their rhythm is really, I can say that Bengal is culturally very high. If Bengal is the cultural capital of India, then Goa also, don't forget, their rhythm, their music, their lyrics are very, very good.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा। कई दिनों पहले प्रशांत किशोर जी जो थे, उन्होंने एक बयान दिया था और कल भी बयान दिया है कि 10 डिकेड, मतलब 1 डिकेड जाना चाहिए बीजेपी को हराने के लिए। आप क्या इस सिद्धांत से सहमत हो? तो प्रशांत किशोर जी का बयान है कि 10 साल जाना चाहिए बीजेपी को हटाने के लिए। 10 साल तक बीजेपी हटना मुश्किल है। दिस इज व्हाट प्रशांत किशोर से। तो आर यू एग्री विद दैट?
देखो, आप प्रशांत किशोर को बात वन साइडेड लिया। हमको लगता है उन्होंने ये कहा कि अगर बीजेपी को हराना है तो कांग्रेस जैसे चल रहा है ऐसे नहीं हरेगा बीजेपी। इसमें स्ट्रांगली डिसीजन लेना है, स्ट्रांगली फाइट करना है, ये बात उन्होंने कहा है। इसी के लिए
Anybody else? Any friends? Yes.
Good morning. I want to know, since you have plans to go to a number of states of India, what is the idea of Trinamool for pan-India, all-inclusive growth for the people of India?
we always believe pan-India. India is our motherland. We love every state, every regional parties, every regional languages, every regional food, everything, their culture, their heritage. Pan-India is our vision, and we to strengthen the regional party is our mission. And that's why if we would work together, then everything is okay. I am a Bengali, so I cannot come to Goa. You are a Goan, so you cannot come to Bengal. We don't believe this theory. All the people, whoever is Indian, they can go to anywhere. It is their freedom of choice. And they are the citizens of this country very much. but everybody has some two identity. One is their motherland is India, and the second identity, the first identity, they have born and brought up from where. That is their identity. If your identity, you belong to Goa, your identity, first identity you are born, and then you are Indian also.
दीदी 2024 में लोकसभा इलेक्शन जो होने वाले हैं, अगर अपोजिशन चाहे तो क्या आप कंसेंसस कैंडिडेट फॉर प्राइम मिनिस्टर पोस्ट बनना चाहोगे?
भाई हमको तो कम्युनल रहना बहुत बढ़िया लगता है, अच्छा लगता है. There are some politicians in this country who feel themselves proud to say they are the VIP, and I am proud to say I am a LIP, means less important persons. Let us continue as a street fighter.
Hello. Hello.
Environment, love environment like anything, because if the environment is not properly taken care, then everything will be spoiled. We don't want the poisonous air. We want that pollution-free, the environment. Whatever we are doing, we have the planning of pollution control board and everything, environment. We set up 5 crores greenery every time in my state. Even from mango for the sea, to save the sea also. 5 crores mango we have already planted in Bay of Bengal. So I think without environment we cannot live. This global warming is going on, and we are totally against the global warming. What is going on? We are not taking it seriously, but we have to take it very seriously. We have to protect the green and clean, and we have to protect the environment also.
Didi, would you like Vijay Sardesai to merge his party into Trinamool Congress? Would you like Vijay Sardesai to merge?
We discussed the matter that let us work together who are committed to fight against BJP. So it is their decision, their choice, what they will decide. We want to avoid the division of the vote. The regional local parties can work together to fight the BJP and to give a good fight to the BJP.
Just like you are voting your own in West Bengal, standing up to the BJP, similarly Arvind Kejriwal is doing the same thing in Delhi, and he is also contesting election in Goa. So will the two of you be adversaries here in Goa, or is there anything that
What do you think that only Arvind Kejriwal will contest in everywhere in this country and no other political party? They have, no, please. From yesterday I am watching, you are only asking for this particular political party. I love him. I have no problem for that. But please realize that who are being able, who knows this country, the problem is, and who are in politics, because Delhi they won because of Anna Hazare. You have to appreciate that movement. Everybody gave support. Even you people also, the civic society, they gave full support. And it is not that everywhere only one political party will go and another cannot go. I didn't stop them to going to Punjab. So why they will stop us to come to Goa?
वो स्टॉप करना नहीं चाहते, आप वाले आपको स्टॉप नहीं करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन
मैंने बोला है क्या हम कोई अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का बात नहीं कर सकते हैं, because they have their own freedom, they have their own choice, they have their own setup. I can say about my party and the local regional political parties who are really facing troubles and they want to fight BJP, because Goa is facing the problem, the unemployment problem, the fishing sector's problem, the taxi drivers problem, the farmers problem, the mining problems, every problem they are facing today. But Goa has everything with them, only the leadership is lagging behind. And the mechanism and the system, and that's why I think let us build up Goa so that Goa can build up with their own, they can stand in their own legs, and Goa may be the beginning of the end to defeat the BJP rule?
Madam, I have a question. Now, TMC has been working here for over a month very aggressively, but we don't find your state executive committee so far. So when it will be the state executive committee?
भाई बातचीत करने दो, डेमोक्रेसी में बातचीत करना पड़ता है।
How long it will take?
और कितना आदमी आएगा आप देख लो, और कितना आई हुई है, इसको देखना पड़ता है। इस चीज सेंसिटिव चीज भी होता है। We want to give more power to women, the young generation also, more power to farmers community, the fishing community, the taxi drivers and all. So let us decide that whoever the people wants to join, after that we can do it. It hardly matters. Family is there, so who will lead the family? That automatically it will come.
दीदी एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूँगा। महंगाई जो है वो चरम सीमा पे है, इस बात पे आप सहमत हो क्या?
महंगाई इतना कर रहा है, बीजेपी की तो कुछ बात कहने ही नहीं है। एलपीजी का भाव आप देखो एक साल में कितना बढ़ गया, आप देखो डीजल का भाव कितना बढ़ गया, पेट्रोल का भाव कितना बढ़ गया, क्या हालत है जीएसटी के लिए। बिजनेस पूरा बंद होकर पड़ा है, इवन एक्सपोर्ट इज ऑल्सो बंद होकर पड़ा है, लेकिन बीजेपी का कोई फुर्सत ही नहीं है इसको बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए। आज पूरा किचन आज जल रहा है, आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इतना बढ़ रहा है कि लोगों के पास में खाना भी नहीं है। एक परिस्थिति में बीजेपी जो बोले थे कि सच्चे दिन लेके आएगा, अच्छे दिन लेके आएगा, वो झूठा दिन देश को खत्म कर देगा।
इसी को जोड़कर मेरा सवाल है कि गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री जो मनोहर पर्रिकर जी थे, उन्होंने वैट एबॉलिश किया था। क्या आप पश्चिम बंगाल में पेट्रोल और डीजल की कीमतें कमी करने के लिए वैट एबॉलिश कर सकती हो?
देखिए, गोवा का पॉपुलेशन बंगाल का पॉपुलेशन डिफरेंट है, एक एक स्टेट का एक एक इशू होता है। हम भी कंसेशन देता है, हमारा कंसेशन भी चल रहा है। पहले आप बढ़ाएंगे, उसको बाद आप रिलीजन और पार्टी को ही प्रेशर देंगे। कैसे होता है? बढ़ाते क्यों है बीजेपी? कोई पार्टी इतना भाव कभी नहीं बढ़ा है, क्यों बढ़ाता है? देश के लिए कोई चिंतित ही नहीं है। लोगों को कितना परेशानी होता है। अब फार्मर्स लोग एक साल से रास्ता बैठा है, बीजेपी का नजर ही नहीं है। क्यों ये बिल विड्रॉ नहीं करता है? कोई काम नहीं करता है। झूठा कह के 100 करोड़ वैक्सीन कर दिया, क्या 30 करोड़ पीपल का एक भी वैक्सीन नहीं मिला। ओनली 29% को डबल वैक्सीन मिला, लेकिन हमारा 130 मिलियन पीपल है। तो अगर आप छोटा बच्चा को पकड़ेगा तो इसको 150 मिलियन हो जाएगा। तो कहाँ गया, कहाँ है? व्हाट अबाउट द पीएम केयर्स फंड? सब सीजन का रुपया लिया, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज का रुपया लिया, और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का रुपया लिया। अभी कह दिया ऑडिट भी नहीं होगा और प्राइम मिनिस्टर का रिलीफ फंड में भी नहीं जुड़ेगा और गवर्नमेंट का फंड भी नहीं है। क्या चल रहा है? नो क्रेडिबिलिटी, नो credentials, and nobody can question. And if I question, then they will send the ED to my house or the CBI. Even the press people are not spared. You know how they harass the Hindu people also, how they harass the other press people also. Jagaran, even the other people also, NDTP and others. क्या है? ये देश चल रहा है। If media is not strong, then country is not strong. Media is to say the truth. They advise the media, you have to do this, you have to say this. Every morning they are giving advice to media. और मीडिया अगर कुछ लिखता है खिलाफ में तो उसको थ्रेट करता है, उसका पास इनकम टैक्स भेज देता है, ईडी भेज देता है, सीबीआई भेज देता है। ऐसे देश नहीं चलते। जितना ईडी इनकम टैक्स भेजने का काम उन्होंने किया है, अगर इतना तक चिंता करता है देश के लिए, तो देश का अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लम इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता है।
Good morning, madam. Gerard here from Hindustan Times. Coincidentally, Rahul Gandhi also is in Goa today. So, will you use the opportunity to maybe make a courtesy visit on him?
I don't have any reply about that. Anybody can come, it is their choice.
Mamta ji, Newton here from Times of India. Just a follow-up question to that. Do you see any possibility of working with the Congress both at the state level and at the national level, or is that door closed?
You asked about Congress?
No, ma'am. I'm asking, is TMC keeping the door closed for the Congress, or is that possibility still open?
I cannot say everything right now because they didn't take seriously in politics. Modi ji is going to be more powerful because of Congress, because they are their TRP. If one cannot take a decision, why the country will suffer for that? Why country will suffer for that? They have got enough opportunity. They have contested instead of BJP, they contested against of me in my state. Don't you think that morning shows the day? When they contested against of me even, when they contested against of my political party in Bengal, how they expect they will contest against of us and we will give only flowers to them and sweet to them? We have to distribute the sweet for all the regional parties. I want to see the regional parties are strong, and we want that union of states. That theory should be changed, and federal structure should be strong. Then every state strong. If every state strong, then central strong. Delhi ka दादागिरी, Anik Nakka. Enough is enough. Fair enough.
Ma'am, just a follow-up question to what you said.
And just one more maximum. This is the second one.
You spoke about decisions and the Congress not acting appropriately. What are those decisions that you're looking for? What will make you take Congress seriously?
I am not going to discuss about Congress because this is not my party. I set up my own regional party, and without any support from anybody, we are there 3 times we form the government because of people's basic. So their policy, let them decide. I am not going to say anything about them. And this is not my system also. I don't interfere in any other political party business. I can say about my political party. And our fight against BJP will continue. We are not going to bow down our head to BJP.
One last question.
Alliance with regional parties, it gives more power to you?
I love to see that all should work together.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Joy Goan.
ग्रुप फोटो हो जाएगा।